with that, viewers, we will take you through a report now. It was meant to be a routine flight to Baramati, but it turned into Ajit Pawar's final journey. Shortly after 8:45 a.m., it was a chartered Learjet 45 that crashed while attempting to land in Baramati, bursting into flames on impact, and the aircraft broke apart, leaving only the tail intact, and the ATC lost all contact despite landing clearance. With this being the 8th Learjet incident, the DGCA has now ordered a probe, raising the key question: was it human error, technical failure, or something else? Here's a report, take a look.
Shortly after 8:45 a.m. on Wednesday, CCTV camera at a shop near Baramati airport captured an explosion. A chartered plane with Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar on board going up in flames. After the crash, the only part of the Learjet 45 that remained was the tail. Ajit Pawar and 4 others on the flight were killed in the accident. This was not the first time a Learjet had faced trouble. In fact, this marks the 8th reported incident involving these aircraft. In September 2023, a plane of the same make crashed in Mumbai. The aircraft had been cleared for touchdown but drifted during landing. The plane on which Ajit Pawar travelled was found 50 meters away from the runway. In the 2023 accident, the autopilot disengaged for 40 seconds before the crash. In the latest incident involving a 16-year-old Learjet, the aircraft broke apart on impact and caught fire. Only the tail escaped the fire. What caused the accident remains a mystery. The Learjet aircraft in the Baramati crash landing is owned by VSR Aviation. The company blamed low visibility for the mishap.
The aircraft was absolutely fit to the best of our knowledge. The DGCA is investigating the matter. We are there with the DGCA team and they will tell us. Primarily, it appears that there was low visibility.
The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has ordered a probe, and the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is investigating the tragedy.
These are all officers who had reached just half an hour back at VSR Ventures office to take a detailed understanding and report of what really had transpired, and they are right now inspecting the office premises. This is the AAIB team that we are being told who are now inspecting all the office premises of VSR Ventures.
Early reports indicate that the plane had received landing clearance from ATC, but the crew did not respond. Among many unanswered questions is why no mayday or distress call was issued by the pilot. With Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.